Ma'am, what is Makar Sankranti?
Makar Sankranti marks the sun's transit into Makar Rashi. It is vibrant and important festival celebrating the sun's journey, harvest season and spiritual growth. Our country's rich cultural heritage is visible in different traditions in various Indian states. Take for example Uttar Pradesh. Makar Sankranti is called as Khichdi festival. It is celebrated with Ganga Snan and prayers. It is 4 days festival of Pongal in Tamil Nadu, honoring the sun god and harvesting. And it is known as Uttarayan and Kite Festival in Gujarat and is celebrated with dance and music. In Bihar, we call it Sakrat and is marked with family gatherings, sweets, and gifts. So imagine these festivals have loads and loads of meaning and we must continue celebrating them. Thank you.